In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to write Java and compile simple Java program. For writing a code, we must have a code editor, that is Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Editor or any other, or an IDE, that is NetBeans, Eclipse or any other. So compiling and executing, we must have JDK version 8 or above installed in it. It is recommended to use the latest version of JDK for core Java programs. So let's start with Notepad++. Notepad++. First of all, you have to write the class, that is public class hello student, and then I write the main method, and main method is also known as our driver method. The public static void main, and in bracket we have to write a string args. In place of args we can write any string name. It's just an argument. Then after, start the main method block, and inside the main method block I write the statement, that is system dot out dot print ln, and this statement is used to print anything in the console. Here I write hello student, and then I place a semicolon. Semicolon is used to terminate the statement, and then I close the main method, and then I close our class, and then I use file, and in file I use save to save my file. In file name I can write our class name. It's easy to use a class name as a source code name, hello student, and we have to make sure that the class name is of capital letter. It's the ruling regulations for writing a Java class. .java, and I can save it. Then I open command prompt. I have already made the program assignment Java tutorials in a command prompt. Hence, it is the location where my file is saved. So you have to be on the location where your file is saved. And then you just write Javac, your file name, hello student.java, and then press enter. After pressing enter, the Javac will show the output, and this output shows that there is no error in our program, and hence the compiler compiled the Java program successfully. Then I have to write Java and a space and the name of the class, hello student, and press enter. See, here is hello student is printed. In this way we can make our program runnable in Java program in a Java compiler with the help of our Notepad++. That's it.